Let's try to create an account in Mimic app. So just tap next, and then let's see all of the details. Here you can always just upgrade, but there's also a free version, and then you just can get started. That's how it works. Then you can just create your profile. So as you can see, I didn't even start creating my profile. So that's basically the idea. And then you can just select any song, and then you can add your selfie. So you can just add a photo, and then you can just choose a photo from camera. So something like that, that's the process. And then you can see what are good photos, what are the best ones, and then you can just use some songs here. Also, it is possible to upgrade, get access to more songs, higher quality mimics, faster generation time, and no ads. And before this app, there was another viral app which was called Wombo.ai, so that was the main app, but now it's Mimic app. So yep, that's the idea. Hope it is helpful.